everyone, welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all new videos, and don't forget to like and share my video. Today's cue card is describe a foreign country you would like to visit in the future. Points need to cover in this cue card are what it is, what you have known about it, who you would like to go there with, and explain why you would like to visit it. Vocabulary which is used in this cue card. First word is top-notch. It means excellent, renowned, famous. Catch up with, meet after a long time. Melting pot, diverse. Immerse myself in, fully experience. Broaden my horizons, expand my knowledge and perspective. The best of both worlds means two advantages at the same time. Let's start the cue card. I believe no one should stay at one place forever. Everyone should visit a different country at least once in their lifetime. I also want to travel around the world to explore different fascinating places. One country that is on the top of my bucket list is Australia. I have been fascinated by its breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, and top-notch infrastructure. However, the main reason behind visiting this country is my childhood friend whom I haven't seen. In the past 5 years, works in Sydney, I really miss him to the core and would like to catch up with him in person rather than just talking over video calls. Additionally, Australia is renowned for its melting pot culture and welcoming environment. Visiting this country will not only allow me to reunite with my friend but also immerse myself in its vibrant lifestyle. My friend and I could explore famous landmarks like the Sydney Opera House and the Great Barrier Reef, making unforgettable memories. I have seen these places in movies only. I want to experience them in my real life as well. Moreover, I am keen to experience Australian hospitality firsthand. The locals are known for their friendly nature, and I believe interacting with them will broaden my horizons. In this way, visiting Australia will give me the best of both worlds, a chance to reconnect with my friend and explore an incredible country. I am eagerly looking forward to making this dream a reality someday. If I get the opportunity, I will not miss it.